I'd like to share with you a classic Chinese dish, chicken with ginger scallion oil. It might sound like a complicated dish to make, but you'll be surprised how easy and yet tasty it is. Let's get started! After thoroughly cleaning and drying the chicken, add the salt, both outside and inside. Also apply ginger puree. I have here half-inch piece of ginger and 2 tablespoons of water. And Shaoxing wine. You could also replace it with other cooking wine or omit it if you can't consume alcohol. Marinate for 20 minutes. In the meantime, to make the ginger scallion oil, in a bowl, place in the scallions, grated ginger, and salt. You can add more or less based on your preference. Whisk and set it aside. Over low heat, add the avocado oil or other high smoking point oil. And shallot. And fry until golden brown, 5 minutes. Remove the shallot. Turn to high heat and heat up the oil until smoking hot. Whisk. Add a thin layer of avocado oil on the chicken. You can also use other cooking oil. It will make the chicken look glossy and shiny. It's optional. To steam the chicken, add a layer of sliced ginger on the steamer. The ginger will infuse the chicken and prevent it from sticking to the steamer. Place in the chicken, breast side down. In a large pot of water over high heat, bring it to a boil. Turn to medium heat. Place the steamer over the pot. And cover the lid. Steam the chicken until the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. About 40 minutes. Shred the chicken with your hands into small pieces or slice it with a knife. Serve it with the ginger scallion oil. The chicken is very delicate, very tender, really juicy, and the scallion oil is just full of aromatic. It's just so delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Bye for now.